What's up, gang? Welcome back to my RV renovation. This is going to be part 4 of renovating the ceiling. So as y'all can see, we got the installation in. Let's get it.
You seen I have found my peace, but a nigga like you can accept the fee. The flame was burning too bright, you have to come back and steal my light. Damn, sexy had it right.
Amen. Shout out to my motherfucking contractor, bro. He's the hardest working man I've ever met in my life. For real. This man been working from sun up to sundown, baby, to make this happen for me. So this part right here that we're showing you, what he was just doing was making the beams, because in this RV, y'all, they just threw this shit together. There was no beams, no support up here. So what he is having to do is create the sturdy points to ensure that this RV ceiling is not going to cave in on me. Baby, you can't even deny the precision that this man is putting into these cuts. He cold, bro. You can't tell me nothing.
This is an anthem to me. Never let another fuck nigga stress you. Yeah, I'm hurt today, but the day gotta end at the end of the day.
Okay, so I slick lied when I said it's just the renovation of the ceiling. This man is really doing the whole entire RV. So right here, he took out the wall to the bathroom because we're going to delete that whole thing. And, you know, we're going to turn it. Look at that ceiling, though. Do y'all see the difference? Nigga, we made it. My bad.
From the tears of fire.
Just so there's no confusion, the reason why this is coming out is because anything that is touching the ceiling will need to be removed in order for him to continue the process of moving back in the RV to fix the ceiling. It's also coming out because it's going to be used in my outdoor shower, which I mentioned in my past videos, because the piping issues won't allow me to have running water for the shower. And this is what it looks like with the shower removed. And all this is going to be turned into closet space. And like always, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys soon. Bye.